Okay, y'all. Something is definitely a brewing when it comes to this Jay-Z and this Busby case. Y'all is not going to believe what y'all, Lord have mercy. It is about to go down, y'all. When it comes to this Jay-Z case, shit about to hit the fan, y'all. And I'm telling y'all in more ways than one. This case next year could open up a can that a whoop tail that he's never gonna recover from. Y'all, Jay-Z in trouble. I don't care what nobody say. Jay-Z's in trouble. And I'm about to show y'all something that y'all ain't gonna be able to believe this mess. But at the same time, we believe it over here because we've been seeing this going on for so many years. And we're about to talk about it, okay, y'all? Jay-Z in trouble, y'all. Hello and welcome to my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like this video. And thank you all so much for watching. Thank you to my day ones, twos, threes, and fours. Thank you so very much. I appreciate you all and welcome. This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only, so everything is alleged, some is not. And the fair act use is in my description box, y'all. So let's get to it. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Y'all, remember when I just told y'all in the other video that this Andrew L. Carter Jr. is the judge that's going to be residing over the case for Jay-Z and Tony Busby? Y'all, Lord have mercy. And I said I wondered, do he know him? Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Y'all, they darn sure do know each other. Okay, y'all? They know each other. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. This is going to be a conflict of interest. And I'm going to tell y'all this. If this is the case, Tony Busby ain't stupid. He's probably going to get this judge removed. Y'all, it's about to go down. Now, back in 2016, a federal judge granted Jay-Z summary judgment, dismissing his claims by Dwayne Walker, who alleged he designed the Rockefeller Records logo in 1985 and he was owed millions in unpaid royalty. Guess who was over this case, y'all? Okay? Key case details. The judge, the U.S. District Judge, was Andrew L. Carter Jr., Southern District of New York. Same lawyer that's supposed to be the same judge that's supposed to be the judge for Jay-Z and Busby next year. This guy was the same judge that ruled in favor of Jay-Z in 2016, y'all. Okay? The ruling was the judge threw out both of the breach of contract and the copyright infringement claims. He threw it all out. He said, and this is what the judge said, Judge Carter ruled there was insufficient evidence to prove the existence of an original contract, and the copyright claim was dismissed because Walker waited too long to file the lawsuit. Y'all, when I tell y'all, this is probably why Jay-Z wins all these cases, because it's political, y'all. This is political. Now, ask me, y'all. Go right ahead. Who appointed Judge Carter in that position that he has right now? Ask me who, y'all. And look at this stupid looking picture they got up. And they got his face blurred. All the other judges, you can see their face. You go to his pictures, it's blurry. They don't even want you to see his face. And he looks stupid. I'm just put it out there. Okay, y'all? Guess who appointed him to that seat, y'all? None other than Barack Obama, y'all. Barack Obama. Do y'all remember how much Jay-Z and Beyonce hung out at the White House when Obama was in office? Y'all, Lordy, Lord. Here it go right here. He took office December the 8th, 2011. And get this, ain't the 2011 when Kathy White passed away, y'all? Ain't that's the year that Kathy White passed? Y'all, Lord have mercy. Appointed by Barack Obama, y'all, to New York. And how ironic that he gets to be put over this case again with Tony Busby. Is this how he won all of the cases that he has won? Because he didn't get hooked up with all of these politicians Everywhere you go, look at all the stuff that's going on with Nicki Minaj and her house getting swatted and all of that stuff, okay? Where was she? In the same city and state where the mayor is friends with Jay-Z. Is y'all catching on now to how he wins all these cases, to how he's a father, allegedly, of other kids? But nobody can make him take a DNA test. But everybody else in the world has to take one. It doesn't matter how much money you have. If you done lay down with somebody and a child done came up out of it, or they think a child have came out of it, you still are obligated, y'all, to take a DNA test to see if that child belongs to you. They then threw Ramirez's case out. Every city and state that it goes to, it gets thrown out. Is this why, y'all? Because they know somebody that knows somebody that knows somebody. And is this why he's hanging out with all of these politicians so he can get his way in court, y'all? Look at them how they hanging out together. They hung out so much. Beyonce sung at the inauguration, all this stuff, okay? Because they're all close and all they got to do is pick up the phone and make a phone call, y'all. This is one of the reasons why Trump is in office right now, because of stuff like this. People got tired of people getting away with stuff. They got tired of people pushing all this sweat and skittler stuff, okay, and Transformer stuff on everybody. Pushing the Transformers into the bathroom with the kids and all. Yeah, people got sick of this mess. Celebrities getting away with taking people out and lining people up. Cold-blooded daytime, just taking people out. Look what they did to Dolph. You think that Yo Gotti them came up with this by themselves? Who do Yo Gotti run with? Who is his little protege? I'm just saying, y'all. Ain't Jay-Z? I'm just saying, like his mentor too. Word on the street. Just like he's the mentor of A$AP Rocky. Y'all, boy, oh boy, oh boy. Look at him. This is Beyonce. King Beehive. Happy birthday, Barack Obama. Rare photos of Beyonce, Jay-Z, and Blue Ivy at the White House. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. A boy, oh boy, oh boy. And this guy is the one that got that Carter guy and that judge seat, Obama. You think he ain't gonna call in a favor for Jay-Z and say, let him win this case? This is a conflict of interest. There's no way that they're gonna let this judge stay on that seat, y'all. And are they gonna change it at the last minute? Something is up. When I tell y'all something is up, something is up. And ain't no way in the world that I see, unless this is all fixed and Tony Busby riding along with it. Other than that, if it ain't fixed, which I don't think it is, because him and Tony Busby been going toe to toe. I don't see, and y'all let me know in the comment section, do y'all think that Tony Busby is going to let that Judge Carter handle this case? When all of these guys are friends. There's no way in the world. Is he going to call in a favor to his buddy? Because Jay-Z is clearly close to Obama, and Obama appointed that judge. Now, on the other hand, Tony Busby is close to Trump. Is he going to call in a favor for them to remove this judge? Or do he even have to? He's a lawyer. If he want to say conflict of interest, he's going to do that. And if Jay-Z don't know who the judge is or got no ties to him and can't pay somebody off or know somebody that knows somebody that knows somebody, is he going to be scared? Is he not scared right now because he think he got it in the bag? And get this, y'all. Tony Busby ain't the only person that's down with the mega. Okay, y'all? Barack Obama's daughter is down with the MAGA. Okay, y'all? She voted for Trump. She's a Republican. Why? If her daddy is a Democrat. I'm just asking y'all. Who would know him more than his daughters? And why would she be such against her father? I'm just saying, y'all. When it comes to politics. Why? Ask yourself this question. His other daughter, she didn't want to have the same last name as Obama. Is it because they're disgusted by what they know about them and that they are corrupt? Ask yourself this question, y'all. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. When I tell y'all the bones is about to be flying out of Jay-Z's closet, I think it's a reason they put this Carter guy on this case. And that was so Jay-Z could get off just like he did in 2016 and won that case. This is why he's so, think he running everything, because he can call in a favor. Favor for a favor. Okay, y'all? But is this going to backfire? Ask yourself this question. Because if I'm questioning this, and other people are questioning this, you think that Tony Busby is not going to question this, y'all? You think he not? When he is? You think he's going to let this judge rule over this case? And they're all so close together. Y'all, when I tell you Shitka is about to hit the fan next year or before, because I don't see Tony letting this judge stay residing over this. I don't. And why do they keep giving Jay-Z the same the judges that help him win each and every case? Why do they keep giving them to him over and over again? Because it's fixed? I told y'all something is a brewing. Okay? I told you I never liked Obama. I never liked Obama. I don't care what nobody say. I never liked him. Because if you out here on some corruption stuff and letting people get away with stuff, and people that's running the streets and using street associates to take people out and this and that and that and this just so y'all can get y'all way with everything. He ain't Shitka either. Anyway, y'all let me know what y'all think about this whole situation. Do y'all think that Tony Busby is going to let this ride? Or do y'all think that they about to kick this Carter guy off of this case? And they about to do some mumbo jumbo on Jay-Z when he get in that courtroom? Y'all, I'm telling you, Shitka is about to get real in them Carter's life, including this judge. Because I think they're going to start looking into a lot of these cases that Jay-Z won. I really, truly do. When they got him under investigation, when I tell y'all they got this man under so much investigation and people's affairs and all kind of stuff is involved, they watching his money, they watching everything that Jay-Z does. Yo, you think they not paying this attention? I told y'all before that, and it's on the paperwork, that a lot of people going to go down when Jay-Z go down. Judges is going to go down. All of this stuff, okay? Coroners, all kind of people is going to go down when the Shitka really hits the fan. And all of their dirt, allegedly, that they have done comes out. It's about to get real, y'all. Anyway, y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section. Do y'all think this is a conflict of interest? Or do y'all feel like this is nothing? That he can be friends with Obama and Obama can appoint this guy and they can make sure that this guy is the judge and he's not going to be biased. Y'all let me know what y'all think, because I know what I think. And I think they think the fix is in. And I think Jay-Z think the fix is in. But you messing with a different type of person now. Busby ain't no regular lawyer. He's not. He's somebody that's going to go toe to toe with Alex. He is. Y'all, boy, oh boy, oh boy. It's about to go down. And I hope and I pray that they have Jane Doe protected and her family is moved out the way so they can't get to them before they get to that courtroom next year at all, really. And I hope that they put them in some type of protective custody, because I'm telling y'all, that case might be reopened. And if it is, Jay-Z might be joining his friend that he claimed he don't know, P. Diddy, in that prison, y'all. He just might be going in there with him. People think Diddy finna get out. Is he really? They got Jane Doe finna testify, y'all. There's no way in H to the ELL that all this dirt gonna come out and she'd sit there that stand and tell what happened to her, that they are not gonna go digging to find out more. Y'all stay tuned. Stay tuned. When I tell you it's about to go down, it is about to go down. And it's going to be political, and they're going to bring up all of his dirt. They're going to bring up Obama's dirt too. Because it's looking like a lot of stuff is fixed for these celebrities, y'all. And it's not fair. It really isn't. But anyway, y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section. Please like, share, subscribe if you like the video. And thanks for watching, y'all. Peace.